Hello beautiful people, welcome to Remy's Fashion. My name is Remy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew a crop top. This is a continuation of the previous video tutorial on how to draft a crop top. If you have not seen that video, I'll put the link in the description box below and on the cards above. So let's get started. So the next thing I need to do now is to cut facing for my top. I'll fold the piece of fabric I'm going to be using to cut my facing, and then I'll place my front pattern on it, which is also folded like this. I'll trace out the neckline, which I'm going to be cutting out, and then I'm going to be using 2.5 inches for my facing, 2.5. I'll trace this out, then I'll measure from here. So from here, 2.5 is enough. Okay, so I'm going to cut out this facing. I'll measure 2.5 inches, and then I'll connect together. And then I'll take this out now. I'll measure 2.5 inches downwards, and then I'll go around 2.5 inches. And then I'll connect. So I'll connect it using my curve. So I'll just cut it out. I'm going to go serge it all around, and by the time you place this right sides facing right sides on your neckline, this is what we have. So this is your facing. You can decide you want to use bias tape or you want to line. So this is a personal preference. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using this facing for my top. So this is for this one. I'm going to serge the edges at the bottom before I sew. So I'm going to cut the back facing now. I'll do the same thing, 2.5 inches. So I'll cut out the neck shape. Take this out, and then I'll measure 2.5 round, just like I did for the front. And then I'll connect with my curve. And then I'll cut out. And then for the back, I'm going to slash this into 2. So that's right sides facing right sides. So I'll take one. This is the right side. I'll place it on here. Then I'll take the second one, right sides facing right sides, and then I'm going to sew. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to go sew the facing. This is for my back, and then this is for my front. I'm going to go sew the facing for both my front and my back. I'm going to serge the bottom first. So I've serged the edges, and then I've also sewn the facing. See? So this is for the back. So I'll notch it and then turn it over. Careful not to cut into your stitches. And then I'm going to turn it over like this and iron it down. I'll do the same thing for this one and for the front. So this is the front. See, I'm going to notch and then turn it over. For the front, I'm going to iron it with hemming gum. I'm going to iron it down. I'm not going to do that for the back yet until after I have finished sewing the shoulders. I will notch, iron, turn it over, and then show you what it looks like. So I have ironed the neckline. So this is what I have after ironing in the neckline. This is the right side, and then this is the wrong side. So this is for the front, and I've also ironed in hemming gum for the front. See, so this is for the front. Then for the back, I have ironed it down, but I have not used hemming gum yet until I sew the shoulders. So this is the back. I've also ironed in my zipper allowance. So I'm just going to go sew in my zipper. I'm going to sew in my zipper. After sewing in my zipper, then I'm going to sew the shoulders. So to sew the shoulders, I'm going to use this, see, like this. So this one is going to be in the middle like this, and then I'm going to take this and wrap it around, and then I'll sew. Once I finish sewing, then I'll open it up. So that's what I'm going to do for both shoulders. Once I've done that, I've sewn in the zipper, I'll come back and show you what they look like. So for the sleeves, because I've already serged my sleeves, so you can iron it down. You can actually put hemming gum as well, but I have decided to just sew it down like this. So I'm going to go sew both sleeves. So once I finish sewing that, I'll come back and show you what they look like. So after sewing my shoulder seams, this is what I have. I also sew my zipper. So I put the zipper at the back, and this is what it looks like. And then I folded this in. I'm going to hem this down. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So this is the wrong side of my top. This is the back and this is the front. I've gone ahead and added hemming gum to the back neckline. So it's all down now. So this is our top. So I folded in the hem allowance and then I've gone ahead as well and hemmed. So whatever hemming allowance you left, fold it in. So I've done that for mine. So the next thing we're going to do now is I'm going to sew in the sleeves. Once I sew in the sleeves, I'm going to sew the sides and hem. So I'm going to go fix the sleeves, sew the sides and hem the top, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like.
I'd like to talk about a new benefit that we will be offering you, our Remy's Fashion family.
We have got something exciting to share with you today that's going to take your fashion journey to the next level. Introducing Remy's Fashion membership, your golden ticket to an exclusive world of fashion-forward content, behind the scenes access, and fabulous perks. By becoming an exclusive member of our channel, you will not only get an all-access pass to some incredible perks, but you will also play a vital role in helping us continue to create the content you love. Becoming a Remy's Fashion member is super easy. Just hit that join button below in this video and you will instantly unlock a world of fashion possibilities. Member only community. Join a community of like-minded individuals. Connect with fellow fashion enthusiasts. Share ideas and get personalized advice. Influence the channel. Your opinion matters. As an exclusive member, you will have a say in the content we create. Vote on video topics, suggest ideas, and help us tailor our content to your preferences. But it's not just about the perks, it's also about supporting the content you love. Your membership helps us invest in better equipment, research, and resources to continue delivering top-notch content. Thank you for being a part of our Fashion Forward family. With Remy's Fashion membership, we're turning your passion for fashion into an unforgettable experience. Whether you choose to join as an exclusive member or not, your support means the world to us. Together, we will continue to learn, create, and inspire. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And remember, the join button is just a click away. Get ready to strut your style and make a statement. Join us today and let's make fashion magic. So after sewing in the sleeves, this is what my top looks like. So this is my sleeves. I sew it in and I serged as well. This is the wrong side of my top. This is the front and this is the back. And then I'll turn to the right side. So this is the right side. The next thing I need to do now is I'm going to sew the sides and then hem. So I'm going to go do that now and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So this is our crop top all done. I have sewn in the sides and then I have hemmed. And this is what my crop top looks like. So this is the inside. See, this is the inside. I've serged and finished it up nicely and I've hemmed as well. So this is the inside of my top. This is the front and then this is the back. Okay, so this is my crop top with bell sleeves all done. With these, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Take care and God bless.